Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new video. I'm here at my favorite park here in town, and finally got the Bfight 210 fixed up. The new camera came in just the other night, and the VTX, so those out of the box. For some reason, I don't know if it was a shipping issue or something happened, but it was bad, so I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. They finally came in. So you can see I've done a couple of mods to this. One, I took off the stock receiver that they sent. It was an FR Sky, but it was just a really small one. So I put on an FR Sky XSR, and it should give me a lot better antenna range. Also, I changed out the antenna itself. The stock was the dipole, and I put the screw one on with a pagoda. So that should give me a lot better FPV footage when we're flying it. So what I'm going to do is I've got a 3S on here right now. I'm going to go ahead and fly this line of sight for you guys so you can see how it does, and then what we'll do is we'll land it and we'll put a 4S battery on it, and then we'll hook it up to the FPV goggles, and we'll see how it works out. So hold on a second, guys. I've already got my launch pad here, and we're going to see how this guy works out. Alright guys, so I've got the Bfight all hooked up, and it is on the launch pad and ready to go. So let's go ahead and do a little line of sight, and like I said, after we're done with this battery, we'll hook up a 4S and we'll go ahead and check it on out. Alright, so it's armed and ready. There we go. So this thing has got lots of power, guys. I really like it a lot. And it's pretty quiet for a racer. I'll bring it in kind of low here, you guys can see. So let's do a quick punch out and let's see. And this is just on a 3S, so as you can see, this thing's got power to go, guys. It's really nice. I like it a lot. Let's do another punch out. And let's try a couple of little flips here. We do have a little bit of wind behind us, so that's causing a little bit of the there we go. Did really good on the flip. That was just me getting used to this one, so but it is really nice and smooth. There we go. Getting the rolls down now. Whenever you fly something new, it takes a couple times to, you know, kind of get used to it a little bit, but it definitely has got plenty of power. We'll do another quick punch out. You can tell those motors have lots of power. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to land it really quick here, and then I'm going to go ahead and get my FPV goggles out, and we're going to send this guy out and do a little FPV, and hopefully in the post footage here the video turns out nice. Trying to stay away from this tree. We're under a tree here. But I really do like this frame. I like the it's the gem fans that came with it. It's the, I believe these are the 5043 or 5044s. I can't remember what size these are, but they're the same that are on my custom. I really like these a lot. So you can see it hovers really nice. Get a couple more little flips in there. I'm going to put it into stability mode here while I land it. Alright guys, so I've got the 4S battery on here, and I've also got the recording going right now, so I'm going to go ahead and get started the recording, so hopefully you guys enjoy this flight. Alright everybody, so that was the Bfight. As you can tell, this thing is got a lot of power. It is very powerful. With that new camera and the VTX and the goggles, I'm getting crystal clear picture on this thing, and the bigger receiver that I put on there for the longer distance, it just absolutely is an awesome drone. So if you guys are interested in this particular drone, I will put a link down below for it. You can get it on GearBest. I'm not sure if you can find it on Amazon, so if I can find it on Amazon for you guys, I'll link it there as well, but I'll also link it to GearBest as well. But yeah, I'm glad I finally got this out and flying it. I'm going to hopefully take it out, not this week, but next week to the multi-GP race and do a little ripping around with this guy, because it is just absolutely phenomenal. I really like it. So guys, if you finally liked the flight review of the Bfight 210, hit the thumbs up for me. That really does help out the channel. And if you want, you can hit the subscribe button. And next to it, there's a little bell that just lets you know when we've got new videos with the new schedule: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and every other Sunday. And I got some new cool stuff coming up for the patrons. If you wish to support the channel, that would be great. You don't have to. But guys, thank you for all the questions, all the comments, support. I really do appreciate it. It helps the channel out. And I try and get back to everybody as quick as I can. So guys, while you're waiting for our next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have an awesome day.